How to buy Ethereum on Metamask Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy Ethereum on Metamask Wallet. So let's get started. First, open up your Metamask. If you don't have the app, you can install it from App Store or Google Play Store. After you do so, you can simply log into your account, and after you do that, what you need to do is just tap on Ethereum and choose a network. Now here you can tap on the buy section on the bottom right, and after that tap on amount and select a currency. After you select that, you can simply type in the amount, and after you type in the amount, tap on done and go to update payment methods. You can just choose your payment method from here and tap on get quotas. Now after you do so, you will be able to buy Ethereum on Metamask Wallet. And it's that simple guys, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.